In this lesson, we will understand the server section of Open VTS. This page is used to monitor server health, check important services, and safely start or restart Open VTS services when required. At the top, we can see Server Health Monitoring. This section shows the server health status, dependencies, and safe service actions. On the right side, we can see Local Agent, offline. This means the local service manager agent is not connected right now, so some service actions cannot be completed from this page. Beside it, we have the Refresh button. Clicking Refresh reloads the latest server health and service status. Below that, we can see an important warning. It says that stopping frontend, backend, or listener can lock you out of the application. That is why Open VTS allows safe actions like start and restart, but the stop option is disabled. Now let us understand the server metric cards. The first card is CPU usage. This shows how much processor power the server is currently using. The second card is memory usage. This shows how much RAM is being used. The third card is disk usage. This shows how much storage is used on the server drive. The fourth card is server uptime. This shows how long the server has been running continuously. Now let us move to the services section. This section shows the main services required to run Open VTS. The first service is frontend. Frontend is the web interface of Open VTS. Here, it is showing running, which means the user interface is active. It also shows PID, port number, uptime, and endpoint health. The Start button starts the service if it is stopped. The Restart button restarts the service safely. Next is Backend. Backend handles APIs, login, users, vehicles, settings, payments, and main system logic. Here, Backend is also showing running. It shows the service port, PID, uptime, and backend health status. Next is Listener. Listener receives GPS data from tracking devices. Here, Listener is showing stopped. This means GPS devices are not currently being listened to by this service. The recommended action is to restart the Listener service. Next is Nginx. Nginx works as the reverse proxy and gateway. It routes traffic to the correct front-end and back-end services. Here, Nginx is showing running. It has start, restart, and reload buttons. Reload applies configuration changes without a full restart. Next is Redis. Redis is used for cache and queue processing. Here, Redis is running and listening on its port. Next is PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is the main database of Open VTS. It stores users, vehicles, payments, settings, logs, and other important data. Here, PostgreSQL is running and healthy. Below the services, we can see recommended actions. Here, Open VTS recommends restarting the Listener service because Listener is currently stopped. At the bottom, we can see another important warning. It says, the backend cannot be restarted because the local service manager agent is offline. So the workflow is simple. First, open the server section. Check CPU, memory, disk usage, and uptime. Then check every service status. If any service is stopped, follow the recommended action. If the local agent is offline, first start or fix the local service manager agent. After that, use Refresh to check the latest status again. This server page helps the Superadmin monitor the technical health of Open VTS and quickly identify which service needs attention.